Hello everyone and welcome back. I am alom from ARTAN'S Teaching. Today I am excited to share an interesting story written by me. As you listen, not only will you enjoy the story, but it will also help you improve your listening skills and learn English along the way. I hope you find it both entertaining and beneficial. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. I would love to hear from you. So let's dive into the story and begin. In a small town lived a thief. He walked the streets alone at night, stealing whenever he found a chance. He has been doing this for almost 2 years. One day, he saw a new man walking down the street. The man looked like he was searching for someone. The street was empty. The thief, named Rez, thought it was a good chance to steal. Rez went to the man, planning to rob him, but the man understood Rez's plan and stayed alert. Just as Rez was about to act, the man said, "I'll give you a lot of money if you help me find someone." Rez asked, "Who are you looking for?" The man took out a photo and showed it to Rez. "I am looking for this person," the man said. Rez was shocked. The man in the photo was his father. Rez said, "I can take you to him, but I have 2 conditions. First, don't tell him I'm a thief. If you do, I don't know what will happen. Second, you have to pay me first." The man asked, "How much do you want?" Rez said, "Not much, just $100. Rez needed this money for his father's medicine, so he didn't ask for more. The man said, "Only $100? All right, here it is." The man gave the money to Rez. Rez took it and started walking, saying, "Follow me." While walking, Rez asked, "Have you been here before?" The man replied, "Yes, 16 years ago. The town was different then. There weren't so many buildings. If it was the same, I could have found the house myself." After some time, the man asked, "What's the name of the person I am looking for?" Rez said, "His name is John." The man said, "Oh yes, John. If the town hadn't changed, I would have found him myself." Suddenly, Rez stopped at a gate and said, "This is John's house." The man entered. Rez called out, "Dad, Dad, look who is here to see you." John came out and seeing the man and said, "Mr. Smith, is it really you?" John shaking and said, "Smith, you have come. That's good." Then he sat down, feeling weak. Smith pointed to Rez and asked, "Is this my Rez?" John replied, "Yes, this is Rez." Rez stood there, confused, listening to their talk. John said, "Rez, I am not your real father. Smith is your real father." Smith called Rez closer and said, "Come here, my son." Rez asked John, "What are you both saying?" John said, "Yes, I am not your father. Your real father is Mr. Smith." John continued, "Smith, you have come just in time. The doctor says I don't have much time left. If you came any later, you wouldn't have seen me. Here is your son. Look at him. He is grown up and has been helping me with his earnings." Hearing this, Rez hugged John and cried. John added, "Smith, Rez is very talented. I couldn't send him to school because I didn't have the money. If he had studied, he would have been one of the best in the country." Smith cried too, and for a while the 3 of them cried together. Then Smith said, John, I'll take you to a good doctor. Tell me what's wrong. John said, it's no use. I have brain cancer. I don't have much time. Take your son. Don't let his life go to waste. Smith said, I came to take him, and I'll take you too. But Rez said, no, we are not going anywhere. If you are my real father, where were you all these years? Why did you leave me? Smith crying and replied, I will explain everything. Don't be angry with me. I had no choice. If I didn't leave you, they would have killed you. Rez asked, who would have killed me? Smith said, listen to me. In my village, I was the richest man. I had no siblings, so all the property was mine. Your grandfather died a few months after my wedding. 3 years later, you were born, but when you were 5 months old, your mother died from a snake bite. After that, your grandmother wanted me to marry again. I refused at first, but she said someone had to take care of you. So I agreed. I married a woman from the village. She had a poor family. At first, she treated you well. Then, after her son was born, she stopped loving you. She wanted everything for her son. She and her brother made a plan to take my property. One day, they tried to get rid of you because you were the real heir. I had no choice but to leave you with John in this town. I told him everything and asked him to take care of you. It hurt me deeply to leave you, but I had to do it to save your life. Hearing this, Rez forgave his father. And finally, that night, the three of them had dinner together, happy at last. Thank you everyone for hearing my story. I hope everyone enjoyed this, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.